Dili ko sa ano, sa Tubang. So, parang kaya mag-legroom. Guys, so just landed in Abu Dhabi. So I'm heading to the next destination, which is Milan, Italy. So, hanapin muna natin yung boarding gate natin. Okay? So it was a smooth flight for 9 hours and a half from Manila to Abu Dhabi. Ang next flight ko is 7 hours to Milan, Italy. Nakatulog ako as soon as the dinner was served. After ko kumain, tulog na muna. So about 7 hours ang tulog ko. So nung pagising ko, the plane was about to land. So which is good kasi diretso trabaho na tayo. Checking my connecting flight. Dito makikita yung next gate and the time of boarding. So we found out ang gate is C28. So dito tayo banda pupunta. And then as soon as we arrive at the boarding gate, antay muna tayo doon for 1 hour and a half. And then boarding and then flight to Italy. Okay. Stay put lang po kayo dyan. Ito, by the way, pabalik na tayo sa work ha. Tapos na yung maliligayang araw natin. Going back to reality. So I'm going to back on a cruise ship. Seaman ako pero sa cruise ship. So I'm an assistant bar manager. Isa sa mga OFWs. Hi guys, so funny. On the last minute, we realized na mali pala yung gate na pinagtambayan natin. So it's supposed to be D47, not C28. So anyway, mayroon pa akong time. So guys, make sure in the future, pag kayo bumiyahe, make sure to double, triple check your flight details. Ha? Kasi yung nasa boarding pass ko was, it says C28 at saka sa transfers. Then, buti na lang tanong ako dun sa help desk. Na-change pala to D47. Okay guys, yun yung update for now. See you soon. So from Abu Dhabi, we arrived dito sa Milan. So sa bus kami binaba, no? And then malayo, wala sigurong bakanting sa airport mismo. So andito na kami ngayon. So gawin natin diretso tayo sa baggage claim. And then we go outside for the agent. Then biyahe kami 2 hours and a half for Genoa. Nandun kasi yung barko. Okay. Blockbuster pila sa passport control. Pila sa immigration. After sa immigration, claim baggage tag rin, no? Sa conveyor number 7. So marami pala kami rito and then antay-antay muna kami sa mga di pa dumating na ibang eroplano, ibang tour para sabay-sabay kami papuntang Genoa. So nung nakumpleto na kami, umalis na kami papuntang Genoa. Ang biyahe namin po ay 2 hours and 15 minutes. by shuttle bus, expressway. Ang ganda po ng dinadaanan namin, mamamangha ka. You will enjoy the ride. And then at the same time, kakabahan kasi nga tapos na yung bakasyon mo, maninibago ka, balik trabaho na. So, guys, update lang ha. Keep watching the video. Bye, thank you.